This is part 2 of the belly last project. If you missed part 1, click the link above and ensure to subscribe to the channel. All right, now we're going to start the next step of foiling the pieces for the belly last project. When foiling letters, you want to ensure that your starting edge and your overlapping edge is along a bead line, as indicated by the blue arrow. By folding around and having the overlay in this manner, it will keep the foil overlap from pulling away when you solder. This is especially important if you do not have an edging on your letters. The foil will have a tendency to pull back and you'll have a lift. Once you have the foil around, you want to make sure you press down all the edges all the way around. And then you'll take your burnishing tool and burnish all the foil all the way around on both sides to make sure it adheres to the glass very well. Now let's begin the edging of the belly last project. First, you'll need to measure out the outer edge and affix that, and then you can do the inner. You would measure the inside. I've already done the outside, and I didn't go all the way down because I'm doing a zinc edge on the bottom piece where it's flat, because the zinc edging will fit right over this, and this is what's going to be mounted to the base, and the letter is going to sit right in that base just like this. So I'm only using hobby cam on the outer edge on the top portions, and then same thing for the B. I'm going to do the inside here on both. Form your hobby cam into this. So I'll basically put it in there, kind of form it around till it gets into place, and then get it set in there. Then you want to form it good. Make sure it's got a good tight fit, and then you're going to want to tack it in at those welds. Then once you get that tacked in, then what I do is I come along and I will run a bead around this edge just to make sure it's got a good hold. I did speed up the video to finish out the B. You will do this to each letter. I will make a future video on cane edging. Now let's move on to patina. Now we're going to patina the letters. When you patina, you want to ensure that you get the patina chemical all over the solder joints. Ensure that it's at the intensity that you want it and everything's fully covered. Flip it over and then patina the other side. Make sure all the edges have the patina on it as well. Once you've completed that, then you'll want to clean the letter up really well. I will now complete the patina on the other letters, clean everything up. Then I will mount the letters to the stands I've created, and then I will mount the LED lights. I created the base, painted them white, and then mounted the letters inside the base by using a stem that I soldered on to the bottom of the letter and then glued that stem inside the base. I will now mount the LED lights onto the base units. Here's what it looks like after the LED lights have been mounted to the bases. Here's what it looks like at the customer's home, and here's what it looks like at the customer's home with it lit up. Ensure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get notification when I create some future videos on mounting to the stand and mounting the LED lights to the stand.